Texas out 20 nautical miles, Matagorda Bay, until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over northeastern East Matagorda Bay, moving southeast at around 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include East Matagorda Bay, Brazos 439, and Brazos 400. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.
Heavy rain and fog were
The
reported.
coastal